Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Easy Mop Ultra. First, let's get your mop ready for action. Begin by securely screwing the two handle pieces together. Next, attach the microfiber mop head to the mop disc by aligning it and pressing firmly until you hear a click. Finally, extend the telescopic handle to a comfortable height, typically between your chin and nose, then lock it in place. Now, let's prepare your cleaning solution. Fill the mop bucket with warm water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line, which is usually around 10 liters. Then, add your favorite floor cleaning solution according to its instructions. Some advanced models feature a separate clean water chamber, ensuring you always mop with fresh water. With your mop prepared, it's time to clean. Submerge the mop head into the cleaning solution, allowing the microfiber to absorb the liquid. Next, place the mop head into the spin dryer basket and press the foot pedal to wring out excess water, controlling the dampness. Mop your floors using a figure-8 pattern, starting with the edges, to ensure thorough cleaning. After cleaning, proper maintenance extends your mop's life. Detach the microfiber mop head and machine wash it with your regular detergent. Remember to avoid fabric softener. Empty all dirty water from the bucket and rinse it thoroughly. Finally, allow all parts to air dry completely before storing your Easy Mop Ultra in a cool, dry place, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.